Considered the center of politics, power, finance, gold, media, the stock market, and immigration. People from almost every country on earth live in this city. It is also called the home of 800 spoken languages. This is New York, the city of dreams, and famously known as the city that never sleeps. When it comes to the number of billionaires, New York is the largest city in the world. It is the beating heart of global economy and culture, and the 2025 mayoral election has marked a historic turning point for this great city. The hero of this election is Zohran Mamdani, a socialist, the son of immigrants, who has now become the new mayor of New York. How did he defeat his rivals, backed by Trump and supported by some of the richest and most powerful people in the U.S.? Which forces helped him win this election? What is his connection to Pakistan and India? And which community does his family belong to? We will explain all this along with fascinating facts about New York City in this detailed video, so make sure you watch till the end. Zohran Mamdani, the story. Just a few months ago, he was an ordinary New Yorker. Today, he has won one of the most influential political offices in America. He was born on October 18, 1991, in Kampala, the capital of Uganda. His father, Mahmoud Mamdani, is a renowned post-colonial academic. He belongs to the Indian state of Gujarat and comes from a Shia Muslim family. His mother, Meera Nair, is a famous Indian filmmaker originally from Punjab, born into a Hindu family. Zohran belongs to the Khoja community, known throughout India and Pakistan for its business and trade networks. When Zohran was 7 years old, the family moved to New York City, where he completed his education. He became a U.S. citizen in 2018. In 2021, he was elected as a Democratic member of the New York State Assembly, becoming the first South Asian ever to hold that position. On October 20, 2024, he announced his candidacy for the mayor of New York City. At first, he was considered a weak candidate. His campaign began through meetings with labor groups, workers, and the media. Hardly anyone knew his name in the beginning. His campaign slogan was, "This city is yours." His agenda focused on empowering workers, immigrants, and young people. Soon, he built the largest field operation in New York City's political history. His social media following skyrocketed to 4 million. In the June 2025 primaries, he shocked the establishment by defeating former Governor Andrew Cuomo. In the general election, he received 2.4 million votes, winning 50.4%, the largest voter turnout in the city's history. His opponents were some of the richest Americans, backed by corporate donors Michael Bloomberg and even former President Trump.
New York City, the beating heart of the world. New York is the largest city in the United States and one of the greatest cities on Earth. It is also known as the Big Apple. The city stands 25 meters above sea level along the Hudson River. Its total area is 48 square kilometers, 35% of which is water. Administratively, the city is divided into 5 boroughs: Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, and Staten Island. Brooklyn is home to the second largest Jewish population in the world. New York ranks first globally in terms of the number of billionaires. In 2025, the city had around 130 billionaires with a combined wealth of $760 billion. The richest among them is Michael Bloomberg, worth $130 billion. New York served as America's capital only once, in 1789, for a single year. Today, the capital is Washington, D.C. The city's population is 8.7 million. It is a multicultural city, home to people from 185 countries, speaking 800 languages. About 40% of its population consists of immigrants. The largest foreign-born communities are from China, Mexico, Jamaica, Guyana, India, Pakistan, and Arab countries. There are 400,000 Indians and nearly 100,000 Pakistanis living in New York. Religious distribution: 60% Christian, 14% Jewish, around 900,000 Muslims, 3% Hindu, 3% Buddhist, 1% Sikh. New York is one of the most modern and economically powerful cities in the world. It is home to the New York Stock Exchange, the largest stock market on Earth. In 2025, New York's GDP reached $1 trillion, larger than the entire economies of Pakistan, Egypt, Iran, and many other nations. Average income in New York City is $75,000, equal to 21.7 million PKR. Education and transport. New York has 2,000 schools and 120 colleges and universities with over 1.2 million students enrolled. Columbia University, New York University or NYU, and CUNY are among the most prestigious institutions. New York also has one of the world's oldest subway systems, opened in 1904. Over 5.5 million people use the subway daily.